PMF Practice Test 2026 Probability Mass Function Exam Questions and Answers Test Prep. Question 1. What is the fundamental property of a probability mass function, PMF? The sum of all values is 0. The sum of all values is 1. All values are negative. Values are between -1 and 1. For any discrete random variable, the sum of p, x, for all x must equal 1. Question 2. A PMF is used for which type of random variable? Continuous, discrete, both, neither. PMF applies to discrete variables. PDF, probability density function, applies to continuous variables. Question 3. If p, x equals 0, equals 0.2, p, x equals 1, equals 0.5, what must p, x equals 2, be if these are the only possible values? 0.7, 0.3, 0.1, 0.5. 0.2 plus 0.5 plus 0.3 equals 1.0. Question 4. What is the expected value e, x, formula for a discrete random variable? Sum of x asterisk p, x, sum of p, x, sum of x, max of x. The expected value is the weighted average of possible outcomes. Question 5. In a Bernoulli trial, if p equals 0.4, what is p, x equals 0? 0.4, 0.6, 1.0, 0.0. P, x equals 0, equals 1, p equals 1 to 0.4 equals 0.6. Question 6. Which distribution describes the number of successes in n independent Bernoulli trials? Poisson, binomial, geometric, uniform. The binomial distribution is the PMF for the number of successes in n trials. Question 7. The Poisson distribution PMF is often used to model arrivals in a fixed time interval, wait times until the first success, success/failure only, ranking data. The Poisson distribution models the number of events occurring in a fixed interval. Question 8. What is the variance of a Bernoulli random variable with success probability p? p2, p1p, p1p. var x equals e, x2, e, x2 equals p, p2 equals p, 1p. Question 9. If a PMF is p, x equals 1/k for x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, what is k? 1, 2, 4, 0. Sum 1/k equals 1 implies 4/k equals 1, so k equals 4. This is a discrete uniform distribution. Question 10. Can a PMF value p, x, ever be greater than 1? Yes, no, only if x is large, only if x is negative. Probabilities must be between 0 and 1 inclusive. Question 11. What is the cumulative distribution function, CDF, f, x, defined as? P, x equals x, p, x equals x, p, x greater than x, integral of p, x. The CDF at value x is the probability that x takes a value less than or equal to x. Question 12. Which distribution models the number of trials until the first success? Poisson, binomial, geometric, hypergeometric. The geometric distribution is the discrete distribution of the number of trials needed for one success. Question 13. For a binomial distribution b, n, p, what is the mean? np, n, 1p, np, 1p, p. The mean of a binomial distribution is n times the probability of success. Question 14. What is the PMF of a random variable that always takes the value 5? P x equals 5 equals 1, P x equals others equals 0. P x equals 5 equals 0.5. P x equals 1/5. P x equals x/5. A constant has a PMF of 1 at that point. Question 15. Which of the following is not a valid PMF? 0.2, 0.8, 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0.6, 0.5, 1.0. 0.6 plus 0.5 equals 1.1, which exceeds 1. Question 16. In the Poisson distribution, the parameter lambda represents number of trials, the mean rate of occurrence, success probability, standard deviation. Lambda is the rate parameter, mean and variance. Question 17. The support of a random variable is all possible values x where p, x equals x, 0, the average value, the total probability, the sample space. Support refers to the values where the PMF is non-zero. Question 18. If x and y are independent discrete variables, p x equals x, y equals y equals p x equals x plus p y equals y, p x equals x asterisk p y equals y, max p x p y, p x equals x slash p y equals y. Independence means the joint probability is the product of marginals. Question 19. What is the PMF value for a value outside the support of x? 1, 0.5, 0, undefined. By definition, the probability of an outcome not in the support is 0. Question 20. The sum of x e x asterisk p x over all x is always 1, 0. Variance e x. This is the first central moment, which is always 0.